on the view when your friend on Kukua Bouho or call a Afranchua. Go from station where maybe a police station or not. We don't need to form was I was a coin be down. A back crumble. But your friend Kukua Bouho. But I never thank it twice. It couldn't say a almost some cassia. Our book room by. Until I won't play with a botine way. A botine story of one day, my boy Pierre couldn't penny won't be no more the actual yenina. Because you cry by and then Betty and say a boy almost tries to move a born about or ban about your bema. I'm trying to move job ban. I'm reformed with trouble chili, a quantum bomb on Mason Bay segment. A born man whom money to say, oh, dear, Mujumangasa. Tenable tank at one. That's the view. A swangasa. A soon. And open baby was what. Said a big kind of front, drew chronoma front. I found you station when I was open. Crobble. Ubusa Crobble, we have a chiro. Sunny from Afanju station to Crobble. I don't think say on a walk. By walk. Me may should be 10 to 15 minutes. I'll use be almost be less than 10 minutes to Crobble. And for Crobble, Cromo too. About time also. Let's see, you can use 20-30 minutes. 20-30 minutes. From a chrono inside, which is the town. Udru town from town to about time. Say that my kind 20 to 30 minutes. Because he's it's not that far from the town. When you are in the town, it's all about walking. This is not a car matter or a motor matter. You can use your legs to walk from your house, to walk from the town to this big mountain. Per my investigations, some people come here for prayers, but normally when they come, they go straight to the female one. But earlier I told you, the mountains are divided into two. We have male and we have female. The male one is the one that's Baba Tundey and is set. We are on. We are shooting our video on. This one is the female, the one there is the female. You get it? So normally men come there, go straight to the female one, they pray, they do praise there. And they believe the answers are always or their prayers are always answered by the Most High God. So they normally come here. So from today henceforth, if you are looking for a place to pray, if you're looking for a place to pray, like a mountains to go and pray, don't use Achua. I'm not saying don't use Achua. If you're not close to Achua and you are close to Afrancho, Kronom, you can come and do your prayers here. Yeah. It is a big mountain. Yeah, I won't lie to you. It's a big one. And per my investigations, it is really working for those who come there to pray. And it's not only prayers. Many to come there do sacrifice, because I told you earlier, in the town they believe this mountain is one of their greatest gods. So many to come there, do sacrifice, do rituals and go. Same as people to come there to pray. You get it? So you can come there for your prayers. You can come there. There's no priest here. There's no priest. So you come there, you do your things on your own. Nobody will teach you. You won't come and meet a priest here. You won't come and meet anybody there, fetish priest there, who is going to assist you. They don't do fetish around this place. You come there based on what you want to do. You come there, you do yourself. So here I brought Baba Tundey for a video shoot. So you can see it is ongoing, and that's the view of, let's say, Krobo Afrancho. That for Oshim, there you get, if you're on top of the mountain, you can get the whole view of, I would say, Kwabre, south and north. So Mr. Car, they do wonders, as his name they goes, Mr. Car Wonders. So they use the phone to do wonders. They came all the way from Accra to meet Watomoto here. Watomoto to take them to this mountain to do their video. Expect greatness, expect great things, expect huge things from Tundey, because you are not ready yet. Like I used to say always, you guys are not ready for the new generation, because the new generation, they are coming like fire. So I decided to give you the view of this mountain. That's why I don't concentrate on Tundey's video. I also wanted people to get the whole view of this mountain. Here, today was lying on one of the excuse me, so Mr. Katu was doing wonders. But honestly speaking, I love the view. I love the view. You know, we are in a rainy season, so you could see the green leaves over there. When we are in dry season, there will be fire outbreak around this place. Nobody will come and set fire, but you see fire. Yes. But since we are in June, July, which is the rainy season, you see the green leaves over there. You see how green the place looks like, and it's very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. I'll urge anyone who wants to shoot video around mountains. There's no need for we all to go to Achia, we all to go, yeah. Others can come to Kukua. Yes, that place is nice. For me, I would choose this place. For me, driving from Kumasi to, let's say, Afanji to Achia, I'd rather choose this place. I won't lie to you guys. So let's focus on Tundey right now. He's doing antics over there. And guys, the track that we are shooting the video, we are going to blow your minds. Tundey is going to blow your minds and blow your speakers. I don't want anybody to hear the sound. That's why I'm doing this voiceover. The sound, I mean, the tune that Tundey did is magic. For me, I call Tundey a magical boy, and he has this angelic voice that you guys are not ready yet. Tundey is more than good. Minutes ago, like, he's your boy, that's why you are doing it. No, I've worked with a lot of boys. I have a lot of boys. This guy is too good. My boys are good. I won't sit somewhere and say I have a guy who's not good. All my boys are good. They are all doing well. As you see, Tundey came with different energy. I think we're done here. Tundey was done. Yeah, so yeah, he was coming to have a view of himself on Mr. Car's phone. So he's doing the view on Mr. Car's phone, and I'm also doing my normal view. I decided to get a correct view of this mountain to show people that Kuruma Francho, which is Kukua, which will get something great in our yard, in our area. Yeah. Don't forget, I go by the name Watomoto the General, aka Social Media President, aka Political General, aka Massive Mayor. If you are a musician and you have a song out there and you want promotion, just contact Watomoto. Go to all the social media platforms, just type Watomoto to the search bar and I will appear. You go to YouTube, you type Watumoto TV, and I will appear. You subscribe for me, you do the share, and you do the press on the set this thing and then the notification bar. And when you press on it, any day, anytime I drop video, you get a message on your phone, so you go and watch it for me. This time I was doing a view of a female mountain. That's the one at the other side. The one I'm standing on it doing the video is the male one. That's the view of. Do you know one thing? There are these people who have houses around this place. You see, one is there, one is even close, one is even on top of the mountain. That's one. And you have others down the mountains. They decided to come build their house on a mountain. Because there is a saying, when you build your house on the mountain, it is difficult. It will be difficult for water to destroy it. Even anything to destroy your house. Your house becomes strong based on the mountains. Because the mountain itself is strong. So when you build your house on it, automatically your house becomes strong. You get it? So managed to have houses around that place. But for me, man, I don't try this thing. Because, hey, let's see if I want to, me that I go out and I come late. How will I stay in this place? I can't do. Nah, I can't. I wasn't there. So here, we're doing climbing. So here, the guy need to come and take Kelly because Kelly was not able to climb. Here you could see about Tundey too was see. But Tundey said he won't go again because he's afraid. Tundey told me, like, Baba, I'm not going again on this place there. I'm afraid. I told Tundey, worry not. Jade, so we did. You see Mr. Wonders, he was already here doing wonders by himself. That's naked over there. For me too, as usual, I was doing my normal view. I was giving you the whole view of Crowbot. You have a view. Just take a look of yourself. Yeah, I asked opportunity to stand up, let's do this. He said, Baba, me, I'm afraid. So he told me there was something that he was removing from his attire. When he's done, he'll go top, so we start shooting. But I mean, I knew my boy was afraid. So here we were all laughing at him. You see, naked. Because Tundey said he's not going anymore. That was what Tundey said. He said, Baba, I'm not climbing anymore. My boy said he's not going anymore. Tundey, please follow my boy for me. But Tundey is more than good. Follow my boy for me. Tundey, Baba Tundey. I love this guy. That's Mr. Wonders too. The bond between these two guys, I love it. I really love it. May God continue to strengthen the love between you guys. Baba Tundey and Mr. Wonders. I pray the Most High God continue to strengthen the love between you two, because enemies, these people called enemies, will try to separate both. But I know God who brought you guys from childhood to this stage will never allow that thing to happen. I pray the Almighty God protect you guys from me, because I love the bond between you two. I love it. Whitaker really cares about his brother. Really cares about
his crunch, eh? Yeah, be try you na kase ya kone say me manda ne ma no. Kelly na ya guide no. Kelly ene Kelly e ukura ke. Ene Kelly e ukura ke Kelly. E do bia beto nka. Obia botane na Kelly ya jene tata. Ya anje Kelly tata sama tu yin na botan so. Da bi Kelly da bi mamu se untimi. E te pana oba waso ye be hye no. To e Tundey na koduro nto e gaga.
Hey boy ni na ho
my. Afena Kelly da fo afena be kas Kelly no taka mo bi so mu. Be. Ya nyane sa. Eno Passem. Samsung pel. Hama be jam charger ho adan tina me bomb me bottom na kini hu na mani ma step ba ma hu kini. Came out. She, I'm going to bit my power. I feel over to my colony to know which channel. That's so. I must meet my codum and I said, I could come from the movie. Mama, that's you. Kale ya botan we dey no o kwa o betia so wa kama nkran ho fe chi yeah. I got my new friends. Yeah. Ubedi bachi. Hey, my friends, right? Hey, you don't have to pack up, but my friends, yeah. Because mami ako. Hey, Jack. Man, ikaw. Wow. Maba me kwaba mai. Maba me kwaba mai. Maba me kwaba. Ana me dwano. Mo no mutsia mo me pema sem tu. Mo nyini na to mo ni jimi ne krono no mo asem.
Ya ne yenhwe o mu.
Krono de se uja na ko.
Udi dimi ato abo no uja no nyame ayade na so aje abo na mpa. Mo no mo fen.